Okay, let's take a look at XRP. I am going to be using two charts here. One is my Elliott wave count, and the other one is the trade that I actually took here publicly on my Twitter channel. If you follow me, then you can just look back. July 2024 is basically where I started to see something here. Now, I'm absolutely not an expert when it comes to Elliott wave. I'm just a trader that uses as many tools as he can that makes sense to him. This is the most important part. This is also the time where I started to learn about Elliott waves. And yeah, I saw a setup and I felt like, okay, if this actually is true and if this all makes sense, then this would be an ideal scenario. This could then be a bottom, and I'm just going to look for a long on any retrace. This is also what I posted up here inside of this range. I looked at this level, just sort of a breaker structure, whatever, and I took a long down here with my invalidation down here. Now, I've been super bullish on XRP, and I still am. Right now, this is a bit tricky. This might be the move that is completed now. So the 5 that I have up here in the future might also be complete here, and we are now working on a first bigger correction, or we might just be, as what I'm expecting right here, we might be in the fourth wave might be complete here, and we're now going for the final move up before the bull market concludes. So not too certain what to expect here. If we go into lower time frames, and by lower I mean the daily in this case, this is looking like the most obvious range play you're ever going to see. Like, this is also what I've been trading basically all of my trading life, is these ranges, the liquidity. One thing that actually makes me pretty bullish on XRP and the top not being in is the structure right here. Like, this is such a picture perfect liquidity pocket that the market is probably going to take at some point. These highs, these equal highs here, are just super juicy. So if the ABC is complete here, then we are currently trading at the perfect level to see the next leg up, right? This is the golden pocket, the fib levels align. And all we need to see is the impulse, the next impulse. Right now, this is not something that gives me too much confidence, but like, if you look at the daily and you look at this structure here, we have the same structure waiting for us on the only 1 hour, being these highs here, right? So we have liquidity everywhere. XRP is, from what I'm seeing, is just waiting for the next leg. The market makers are building liquidity. Everybody and their mom has a stop loss somewhere above these highs. So once we actually do start to push, this is just going to be fireworks. If we do push, obviously, there's no guarantee, but this is looking like one of the, maybe behind Litecoin, this is still the one ticker that I'm most bullish on. And so in order to get into a leverage position here, not really seeing anything right now. But if on the low time frame we're going to see another impulse here, then I would also be looking for a long on a retrace, right? So yeah, this is something that I'm seeing. This is something that I might be interested in, but for now, that's just an expectation. The bearish version of this and the bearish possibility is, of course, that the A goes here, and we are, like, the A is complete. This is the B, and now C. Take the low one more, and then potentially look for a move up. So forget this super ugly scribble. I'm definitely not a Picasso, but I hope you get the idea. Right now, still inside of this range, we are closer to the range lows than we are to the range highs, so this is good. Highs look very juicy to be taken at some point, and I have no reason to call the top here on XRP. Do I want to position down here? Right now, as I'm saying, the low time frame is not giving me anything, so I am hunting for a position, but I don't have one yet. Yeah, I think this is all I have to say on XRP for now. That's all I have to share. And whenever there's going to be an update, it's going to be in Discord. Sometimes I also update my current positions, or when I enter a trade, on Twitter. So make sure to follow me on all my socials. All the links are in the bio, and talk to you guys in the next video.